How to use iTranslate in conversation mode for real-time translation during the conversation. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you the ways to use iTranslate in conversation mode for real-time translation during conversation. So in order to use that feature, you can look for the conversation mode option. This is usually represented by an icon resembling two speech bubbles or labeled as conversation. However, this feature might be located in the settings and it is only available in premium accounts. So in my case, I happen to have a premium account, so when you find that following feature or locate the option in the settings menu, you can tap on the conversation mode option to activate it. Now you can choose the source and the target language for the conversation. Typically you'll select your native language and the language you want to translate, and when you have enabled it, then you can hold your device between you and the person that you're conversing with, and with the microphone facing them. So you can start speaking in your native language and iTranslate will recognize your speech and translate it into the selected translate language in the real time. So after translation is completed, the other person can respond in their language and the iTranslate will translate the speech back to your language. That's how you can translate in conversation mode for real-time translation during conversation. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.